Cyber Cybercrime is any criminal activity that involves a computer, network device, or a network. Cybercrimes are bubbling in every community or so frequently, and they are diminishing the social and national values. The very purpose of the computer and the internet are getting lost by the abusive actions of the cybercriminals in the society. The courage that the cybercriminals invest in the commission of the cybercrimes is yielding desired benefits to them because of the many flaws in handling of the cybercrimes. Cyber policing plays a vital role in the criminal procedure and finds it value highly in cyber security policies. Appropriate cyber policing in the heart of the such digital India and is yet to come. We found out two organizations, an offline organization JNTUH GEC and an online organization FGOT, to which JNTUH GEC claimed its association during Telangana agitation from the year 2011 are prevalent in JNTUH academic environment. The FGOT and JNTUH JAC are found to have committed multiple cyber crimes against India, namely State Emblem of India Act, Act 2005 violation, identity theft, cheating government of Telangana CGOT, seditions government of Telangana SGOT crimes. It is evident from the automated web crawl image of homepage. Uh, the proper handling of cyber crimes by the concerned parties pave way for the proper handling of cyber crimes by the concerned parties paves way for the people to be motivated positively, leading to the quality of life and quality of national life. Positive psychology in the people can develop character building, society building, and nation building. Related work. We carried out literature survey related to our research work, and the details are presented below. The first groundwork related to the cyber crimes involved in the continuing case study was present. From the elaboration of the work, the issues and details were presented on better grounds. Research work gained strong grounds as the cyber forcing evidence of the cybercrime was thoroughly captured and presented on more elaboration of reporting and recording of the details. The work in depicts the impact of RTA Act to the challenges, the conditions that were against the pursuing for the field reporting and ensuring the registration of the cybercrime to successfully persuade the public authorities for the right information in the IT era we are in. The research work in focuses attention on a cyber remedial forum against the cases study to campaign and spread awareness about the twin cyber criminal organizations JNTUH, JC and CSGOT in order to garner the public strength and regain the national losses owing to the impact of cyber crimes in the case study. In nearly 50 interrogations like information retrieving points and the issues raised and laid under the RTA application are presented together with the investigation and prosecution details of the cybercrime. The impact is to depict the maladaptive management in organization setting in the academic scenario under consideration and to advance adaptive management. The charge sheet of the first cybercrime register as regards the case study to evaluate the search for right information and how a cybercrime issue is tackled and handled in the information technology era during the course of investigation and multiple attributes of the judgment related to the cybercrime handled otherwise as normal as a violation to the of State Emblem of India Act 2005 are presented to show how a cybercrime criminal case is mishandled by the law of enforcement agencies, the investigation, the lenience and the handling of cybercrime life life cycle in the multiple cybercrimes a case study. We propose a research methodology based on information and communication technology approaches to prevent the conversion of cybercrime or III informed society into perishable society. The need for transforming cybercrime or II informed society into well informed society and hence into a progressive society or knowledgeable society or digital society is addressed in this work. In this work, we firmly stick to the points that these cybercrime cases should be dealt properly by the public authorities and the state central governments and should release a white paper on the cybercrime issue and issues order to the prohibit the twin cybercriminal organizations FGOT, JN2H, GEC and convict the related cyber criminals. And the many facts physics of 3D government of Telangana. Negative uses models, for example, dark web that surrounded the disruptive ICT information and communication technologies become a threat to ensure sustainable progressive nation, society, culture, cybercrimes. which captures such morals, played vital role in misleading the Telangana youth and society in guise of Telangana movement, with the result that the academic merit and leadership turned abusive in India turned abusing during 2011-14 in technological education environment in Telangana. Multi-dimensional perspective and significance of such cybercrimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications, including our earlier NAOP 2017 presentation towards research tracking the issue of cybercrimes from 360-degree life cycle and remedial perspectives. We endeavor to recover the academic and national losses during these cybercrimes. Interestingly, the three dimensions of government of Telangana are well known: fake GOT, GOT, uh, GOT, and the People's Governance Forum. The PGF is instead is to dismantle national uniform information by a broader discourse and inculcate national spirit in the educated youth and bring awareness of people how to use the internet for the positive purposes. The snapshot of the People's Government Forum is embodied the hyperlinks to different social media accounts we have created by useful in the variety of ways. What is the source for the ghost is source for the ganja? Why was Swami Paripurnananda external through no prohibition orders against JNTU, JC and DGOT? Uh, Dark web is part of the World Wide Web (WWW) that is only accessible by the means of special software and configurations or authorization to access, thus allowing users and website operators to remain anonymous, unidentified, and untraceable. The dark web is contrasted with clearnet, which is regular web, which has encrypted nature. The dark web, sometimes called the invisible web, is large part of the internet that is inaccessible to conventional search engines, and deep web content includes email messages, chat messages, conventional private content on social media sites, electronic health records, EHRs, electronic bank statements, and other contents that is inaccessible over the internet due to not crawled and indexed by search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. The dark web forms a small part of the web. Dark web is term mistakenly used to refer specifically the dark web communication between the darknet users in highly encrypted, allowing users to talk, log, and share files confidentially. Darknet websites are accessible only through the network such as Tor, the Onion Routing Project, and 12p Invisible Internet Project. The darknet it is also used for illegal activity such as illegal trade forums and media exchange for pedophiles and terrorists. The government of Telangana DGOT is not part of dark web. We use the term DGOT because very people in India are aware of it, though it has given rise to a given artificial impact on Telangana since 2011, and because it was used similar to dark web characteristic for illegal activities such as illegal business forums and media exchange. Hence, DGOT is academic in JNTUH in particular and Telangana in general. And the only to convict cyber criminals involved in the illegal activity of the GOT, JNTUH, JAC, but also issue prohibition order against the twin LSU cyber criminal organization DGOT and JNTUH, JAC. On the contrary, police external Swami Paripurnananda unbecomingly what is the source for the goose is the source for the ganja. But the people related in the case of this twin cyber organization represent the dog conclusions on future work. We presented the nuggets of the research work in handling the cybercrimes case under study. We focused on many more questions that arose because of the ineffective cyber policing or cyber case. We depicted a multi-facted 3D government of Telangana and highlighted the government become strong and more powerful if they did release a white paper presenting the measures taken by them to diffuse the effects of these cyber crimes. Such as actions can rule out the formation of such cyber criminal organizations in future. The police issued extermination orders against Swami Paripurnananda. Similar to this, the police should issue prohibition orders against the FGOT and JNTU cyber criminal organizations and see that the cyber criminals are convicted. What is the source for the goose is source for the gander. We devise a declaration for social media uses ethics. It keeps the society on bedrock of the values. Hence, abusive social media uses will tend to be on wane. As part of our future work, we would like to focus on the public opinion generation at large scale and handle this type of cybercrime cases well in future.